Prepare the nails as per French fill maintenance. Be sure to thoroughly remove all the existing whites from the nail so that it is not seen once the clear fill has been completed. Saturate a nail wipe with after wipe and cleanse the nails. Apply 2 to 4 coats of bondage to the entire nail surface. Be careful not to make contact with any tissue surrounding the nail plate. Once applied, the bondage stays tacky. Apply room temperature first and last, carefully pillowing around the cuticle, taking care not to touch any skin. Do not wipe the smile line. Double check for any skin contact and wipe away any gel that has contacted the skin. Freeze for 20 seconds. With flexure floating across the extension, apply a thin layer from the support bridge to the end of the extension. Freeze for 20 seconds. With flex, float from the growth area away from the cuticle and up to the flexure. Use overhead light to assess the line of shine. Tuck and pull flex into any low spots. Double check for gel skin contact. Cure for 2 minutes. With a nail wipe saturated with after wipe, remove the dispersion layer. Finish with filing techniques and finishing as you normally would.